Yeah, I have the Blizzard game with hooks.
Ooh, let me see that.
The hooks.
From Anchor Play, Blizzard's Challenge, fun indoor snowball game. And it's a family game. And Diego just got it from the Elf in the Shelf.
Okay.
Ooh, Diego.
The way how you actually stand them is just like this.
Okay, so you stand those targets.
Okay.
Oh, they all have points, like numbers, like.
Yes, this one has 40. This one has 20. This one has 30. This one has 60. This one has 50. This one has 10.
Yes. So what's the purpose of the whole game? Tell us.
You're just asking the purpose.
So does it bring like anything like to bring them down? What do they bring? What
Yes,
does the game bring?
the snowball is the fake one.
Ooh, it brings this?
Yeah.
How many of them?
3.
3 for
But
you and 3 for me?
Yeah, there's 3 behind you.
Oh, okay, I got them right here, yeah.
So you try to shoot the points like this. You got to do it for like, and you got to do it or like.
Like this? Woohoo! Or like, woohoo, I tried. Oh, I have another one here. Woohoo! Yeah, I almost hit it.
Goes like this.
Yes.
Wait, you can only do it like this.
So that's the
And you
purpose of
shoot
the game.
And you shoot one score, that means you win. But if you don't, oh, almost. Maybe. Oh. Oh.
I guess he loves it. Yay!
What do you guess?
Anchor Play, super cool game, good price, and he's loving it. Yay! So the whole purpose is at the end when all the cards are put down, you collect the cards that the targets that fell and are yours.
Yes.
And then
you start over again.
yes, and then whoever gets the most points wins.